Now you'll have to bear with me starting from scratch. The reason I start from scratch is so that you can see the picture being built up and you can understand. So I'm going to start with a triangle, not a rigid one. So there we go. With that triangle, I want it to be a little bit blue. And I think fatter. There we are. That's fine. Okay, so I've got a triangle there, and I can do what I like with that triangle, okay? It's completely unbound by any rule. It's not isosceles or equilateral. It's whatever, okay? Now I'm going to look at the angles in this triangle. So I can measure one angle by going like so, and the next angle by going like so, and the next angle going like so. I have a problem with my angles, don't I? So I'm going to grab my angles and I'm going to say I don't want them to be reflex. Okay, and I'm going to have them big, and that will be fine. Okay, so now my angles are looking a bit better. Better looking angles, 99, 61 and 21. Now let's go back and look at them. So here's my angles. They're called alpha, beta and delta. I don't like those particular names, so I'm going to just call it angle A and angle B and angle C. Okay, and then here, if I can make this come a little bit smaller, hang on, just so that you can see the input screen. So I'll just move that like that. And here I'm going to say angles in triangle equals angle A plus angle B plus ANG angle. Anyone guess it? C. Okay. Now I can insert text and I can go angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals angles in a triangle. Okay, and because we're on a data projector, I'm going to make that text rather extra large. Maybe not. Maybe it can be large. That might be large enough. Okay, so now what's happening? When I'm moving this, angle A, angle B and angle C are all what? Changing. What's not changing? The angles in a triangle. So what I've got there is a visual proof of angles in a triangle adding up to 180. Does that make sense? Yeah? Now I'm going to develop that proof slightly. Okay, so here I'm going to get a midpoint. Where am I? Here we go. Midpoint or center here. And that one I want us to notice particularly well, so I'll make it nice and large. Okay, now with my angles, I actually want to colour angle A to be pink, angle B can be purple, and angle C can stay, it can stay green. And my actual triangle, where is that? Where's my polygon? I don't want to have it quite so. Yeah. Okay, so we've got 3 different coloured angles, that's fine. Now I'm going to do a rotation. Rotate object around an angle by a point. So I need to grab that and my point. And I'm going to do it 180 degrees. That's a straight line. There we go. Okay. Now what have I got? Oops. There we go. What's happening now? Anyone? What shape have I got now? Quadrilateral? Yeah, what sort of a quadrilateral? Someone said it. A parallelogram. Well spotted. That is actually a parallelogram. Okay? Very cool. Okay, now I'm going